Well, we just parked the car in Montserrat, Spain. We are gonna climb these mountains here. We arrived at the monastery. The views are astounding, very spectacular. Now we are ready to get onto the mountains through this train, cable car or something, I don't know what it is. Let's find out. I think it's here, yes. Ah, yes, here. This it says. So, yeah, let's continue. Here, we have to wait for the next one. Here we go. Look, oh my God. Vale, gracias. Okay, now towards the front seats, so the views will be better. No, there is even one higher one here. Oh, that's for the driver. Okay, so we have to go, oh my God, all this. And this is the other people getting into the train. Okay, the doors are closed. And we start the journey. Oh. Now there is the other car coming, one to the left, the other one to the right, so we don't crash. Here we go. Well, we have arrived. Okay, here we go. Okay, yeah. People getting out. Well, there are many hikes here that we can do. We are gonna choose the highest, the most spectacular, of course. You know, all these people here, only a handful of those, they are gonna be able to make it to the top. Well, now we start the trail to the top of the mountain. This is walking, it's a hiking. It's hiking. Look at the views. Okay, so now we can continue. It's 1 hour walking, or hiking if you will. Nobody here. Look at this. Oh my God, look at the view. Hi, Christian. We can continue. Look at this. Spectacular. Oh, this is the monastery there. It's downstairs. The monastery of Montserrat. And we are on the bottom of this mountain here. So nice. And here there are two people. They are gonna climb it. Us puc fer un vídeo així? Sí. They are climbing the whole thing. Look at this. With the ropes here. And we are going here, in the top of those peaks here, but not climbing like those guys. Look at this. Now there is this rock that is being cut into the middle just to make the trail here. Or maybe it's natural, I don't know. It's natural or not? It's been cut, right? at this. Yeah, we gotta go there. These are the final meters. After hiking for more than an hour, 1.5 hours, we haven't reached the top yet, but yeah, let's continue.
That's the TV tower in Barcelona.
Oh yeah, that's the one, yes, yes.
And a bit left is a church.
Exactly, yes.
And here you can clearly see and recognize.
Well, you can see everything here. Now we are almost there. Well, now we are almost at the top. That's the final steps. Look at the view, fantastic. You see that cliff, that there? How impressive. Well, we have arrived at the top. There is like a rosette stone here, something like that. Look at the view. Amazing. This is a kilometer height. Look at this. Incredible.